Hey guys, MD95TSI here. How you doing today? This piece of paper that I'm showing you is very, very, very helpful to me. I told you guys before that I used to montage on my account on my YouTube, and I told you what happened, that they literally just straight raped me and ripped me off, and when I hit the threshold, they told me that I couldn't montage, that something was going wrong on my account, and but I could keep the account, I just couldn't montage no more. So I was cool with that, but my monetization may be coming back. This is a letter or a card. This is a class action lawsuit. Now I can't tell you where to get this. It will come to you if you are in not violation, but if you were treated that way, in other words. And it says right on here, if Google, there you go, I'll do it so you guys can kind of pause it and read it for yourself. So in other words, if you did the Google Adsense and they did not give you your money, and then they told you something was wrong with your account, and then you had got, just ripped off, basically, is what I'm trying to get here. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is, this is a class action lawsuit, and they ripped me off for $100. I had the $100 threshold in my account that I had built over, like, I don't even remember how many months it is. I want to say like 3 months, but I was doing the gun stuff then. That's what was trending back then. So I kind of feel like, yeah, I was raped. Like I said, I told you guys about this, and this was cool that this card came today, because this goes to show you that MD does not talk shit. Like, I'm not bullcrapping about my account, It literally was montaged before, and then I got beat down and told I couldn't do it. I got violated and everything else. Like, my Second Amendment was violated due to the guns and whatnot, and I feel like that's what it was about. Just because I was a gun collector and gun enthusiast, I feel like they went ahead and just threw my ass to the dogs. I don't understand that. But anyway, we'll see what happens. Basically, they can keep the freaking money that they owe me. Just give me my account back to monetization once I hit the limits that they expect you to hit. That's all I'm asking. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you guys. Check your mail. Pay attention to postcards, because most people will throw this away and think it's an advertisement. It's not. It's a class action lawsuit. So yes, let's see who else gets these. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel, how I was treated, and let's hear your story on how you was treated, because it's not only me. It was many of people that hit that $100 threshold through Google AdSense and did not get their money. So thank you guys for watching. MD95TSI signing out, and don't forget to stop in tonight over to the Drone Network, Captain Cook's channel. I'm always going to call that Captain Cook's channel. Stop over there at 7 p.m. tonight, the Drone Network. Thank you guys so much. Let me know what you think about this AdSense stuff, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is news for MD. Good news. Something from YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Let me turn it up so you can see. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.